Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to get an Uber Pro card. First, open the Uber Driver app on your phone. Once the home page loads, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the menu button to continue. Inside the menu, you will see several options. Scroll through the list and look for the Payouts or Payments option. The name may vary depending on your app version or location. Tap on it to open the next page. Now, inside the Payouts or Payments section, look for the banner or option labeled Uber Pro Card. Once you find it, tap on it to begin the application process. On the next screen, fill out the on-screen application with the required information. Make sure all your details are correct before submitting the form. After you submit your application, wait until you see the confirmation page. Once the confirmation page appears, download the dedicated Uber Pro Card app from your device's app store. Open the app and follow the setup instructions. If your application is approved, your physical Uber Pro Card will be mailed to your address. When your card arrives, open the Uber Pro Card app again and follow the prompts to activate your physical card. After the activation is complete, your Uber Pro Card will be ready to use. Thanks for watching.